Midjourney has unveiled version 5.2 of its AI-powered image synthesis model, which includes a new zoom-out feature.
This allows maintaining a central synthesized image while automatically building out a larger scene around it, simulating zooming out with a camera lens.
The zoom-out feature can take an existing AI-generated image and expand its borders while keeping its original subject centered in the new image.
However, at the moment, V5.2's zoom out only works on images generated within Midjourney, a subscription AI image generator service.
The new version also includes other new features, such as an overhauled aesthetic system and a stronger, stylized command that effectively influences how non-realistic an image looks.
Midjourney users can experiment with the zooming out feature by generating any V5.2 image and upscaling a result on their Discord server.
David Holtz, the creator of Midjourney, announced the new version 5.2 features and improvements on the Discord server Thursday night.
Despite the immediate rollout of version 5.2, Holtz emphasized that changes might occur without notice. Older versions of the Midjourney model are still available for use.
Fans of this new image synthesis art form called synthography, by proponents such as Julie Willand, have welcomed the changes in version 5.2.
However, some artists criticize AI systems like Midjourney because they are trained using millions of scraped images from the web without artist consultation, credit, or permission.
It's exciting to see these technical advancements in AI-generated images, but we should also consider the ethical implications of this technology moving forward.
That's it for today.